Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for always tuning in and supporting us. Please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. So once we upload a new video, you will be notified. So if you follow us often, you will know this route without us even saying a word. We're heading down by Ms Doyle. For those who are not used to us, those who may be seeing us for the first time. So we're going to visit Ms Doyle to drop off some grocery because one of our donors would have sent some funds for her to purchase some groceries and a pair of shoes because, you know, for some reason she cannot find that one pair that she has and she has been asking. So we bought it for her and we're taking them to her now. And you know, we've been on the road from morning. It's about 12 maybe to 1 right now. So we've been on the road doing, you know, some different runs, and so we're kind of low on energy because we try to come to Ms Doyle mostly in the morning when it is cool and nice so that we can have that nice fresh air coming down and going back up. But you know, we have to do what we have to do, and so here we are. So we're just praying and hoping that she is home. I hope she's here. And the door is locked, so it's a possibility she's not here. So let us keep our fingers crossed. Maybe she's on the road and then we would have walked in vain. Well, let us see. Oh my God. Oh wow.
Ms Doyle.
Don't hear her. Oh, praise God, everybody. Praise God, everyone. She's here. Because I was wondering. Thank God, everyone. I was really wondering if Ms Doyle is here. Hi, Ms Doyle. Look how you're frightened. We come and see the door lock and say, oh my God, Ms Doyle not here.
No, the mosquito.
Oh.
And try and me one day.
Oh, you were sleeping?
And I want everything. I want clean up my yard.
Oh, you clean it up?
Right round and round. What I want to me use.
Oh, you burn the yard?
Yeah, me don't know. Me don't know. And when it pump full up, it stand up same place and me. Then me move it back, go down to where and something.
Okay, okay.
Oh, no pretty today, so.
I'm from in know. So we're so tired. Oh Lord, so we're glad you're there.
A food that?
Are yours?
A food?
No, no food this. We have some food. But
Can me hungry, you see.
You hungry?
You know, say Stephanie come here.
Yeah.
I'm go clean up the place. Cause a pair rat mess and sitting around here. And I'm go wipe for you see. You see put it back, lie down there so sleep.
So Ms Doyle, we have a donor who donated some funds, and then remember you were saying you wanted the shoe. So she called to find out if you needed anything. So we told her, like you instructed us, that if anybody call us, we should let them know that you need a pair of shoe. So see, we buy the shoe here. So
what size you buy?
You say you wear size 9?
Yeah.
Right, and I wear size 9, so all I had to do was try it on. So you can try it on and see how it fits.
I me want
Mosquito.
come out. I tell you that's why me lock the door.
Yeah.
I tell you I want dress. I don't know if you go to church.
Oh.
See there,
Yeah. Yes. All right, good.
Man, the Chinese people, them out there have some little stacking where your job come up to you. So.
Okay.
Me a whole heap, but then get whole.
Okay, all right.
God bless you.
Yes, and so we bought some groceries too. So we bought it is. Let me see if I can open it so you can take it out. Right, so we use the funds she sent to buy the shoes for you and buy some groceries.
Oh, some groceries.
Yes, remember we had spoken about it. You tell me what to buy. You tell us what to buy and that is what we bought for you.
You use the food in your feet.
Oh, you mean food to eat right now, like dry stuff?
Me hungry so tell.
Oh my God, so you're going to have to go cook now?
I'm going to cook me a sunrise from what we kill fill up in a fridge there.
Oh, you're going to warm it up?
But it's full of ice.
Oh, it's frozen.
I peas them, I take cookie with the rice.
Yeah.
Me like it.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you want me shoes dirty, Mr. So I don't want to come in?
Come in, man. Come in.
You want me up there?
Wipe off your bottom pan there, sir.
All right, it's just the meat I was going to put in the fridge for you. Let me see.
One.
It's not too bad. All right, so let me take out this. And then we... All right, let me carry it in, Mr.
And they know, me follow them up. Me know so now come some in a bad.
This wet, Ms Doyle. Hold this to me. Oh. This is wet. Let me put this in the fridge for you.
As this is the shoes I favor Chinese people them. Are them on no buy from?
Yes.
Me no. Favor them. Happy you lie down me I do.
You're tired?
Directly suck out. Let me tell you see true me sick. No want nobody come here and me dead in here and then tear down the place come in and see dirty clothes and say, Lord, hear me now see. Me not keep dirty clothes. As me want dirty frack so me wash. Alright, this when me change that bed, the clothes there. Me not throw it down, you know.
This is wet too.
Wash it out and put
outside.
it on the line.
Mr. Where you put those papers? Okay. So see the rest there, you have to go pack out these.
Pack a heavy man.
So that's everything you asked for. The only thing you never asked for was the rice, but we add some to it.
Oh, the peas.
And the peas. So you have
a chicken, what's it not you buy?
We bought chicken neck, chicken back, chicken foot. That's what you say you want.
Yeah.
And it's the type of chicken back that you want.
Uncut.
That same one. The uncut one.
So me have chicken foot and chicken neck.
Yes.
That me love, you know.
Yes, me know.
And when me ready me stew it down and cook up it.
Yes,
And ready me cook soup.
Okay. All right, so...
And you want for morning, me say, me I come to you. For morning, me say, me I go down and text. Go trust. Fi cook. And me not have the lifting power. Me just go wrap up in a sheet.
Yeah. You're tired. All right, so Miss Dawn, the person
you
who
know
sent...
Where shoes there?
Where they? I don't know where they missed that.
See,
Oh.
hello, miss. Good afternoon. I thank you for what you have done for me. I thank you for everything. Because I can't help myself. I can't even beard myself. You know, for when I no beard.
Mister.
Stephanie can't want something for make screaming. Fi put crossways so go look for me.
Oh.
In a bath.
Yes.
You know, for when I no beard. I can't help myself. Me tell Stephanie send fi buy thing they call the water me use in the pan and I wash up. I say, see there, see where you give me there.
Oh, it has its spots.
No, we're sitting here, ringworm.
Oh,
See, all on my back, and me tell her if I buy one of the cream care con rubby, and she tell me yes.
I mean, it's no ringworm, Ms Doyle.
Yes, look.
Unless they dry up. Oh, yeah, yeah, Mr. them, but them are dry up. Mr.
But
too.
they still a scratch me then.
Oh,
I thank you for what you have done.
yes. All right, so thank you also to the donor. You know, you would have done a great thing for Ms. Doyle because she didn't have any shoe to wear to church or maybe to go to the nearest town, but no, she has one and she has some groceries. So thank you. And
yeah, me get the shoes, see. Show the shoes. Guys.
all right, guys, thank you for making it to Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.